Hi everyone, this is Susan Stewart with Perfectly Placed, and today's video is a suggestion for minimizing interruptions while you're working from home. So many of you have been working from home for a long time, and some of you have been working from home just during COVID. And this is a suggestion for whenever your kids are at home, something that may help with minimizing the interruptions. So it's very simple. You're going to make something that your kids will understand, and you might even have them make it if you've got school-age kids. They might enjoy making it, but it's just simply a red light, green light. So on one side of the cardstock or piece of paper, you can make a large red circle for a red light. You can use a crayon or a marker. On the other side, you're going to make a green light. And when you've got your red light out, they're going to know, if you can go into a room with a door and you put your red light out, they're going to know that this is a time when you're on a conference call or you're working on something very important that you can't be interrupted. And then when that conference call is over, you can put your green light on the back of the door, and they'll know that if they need something, it's okay for them to come in and ask you. So I hope this is helpful. I know some kids are going to be home this summer. Some things might be canceled, and you may be working at home. It's also a great thing for giving your kids boundaries. So they might want a red light and green light for their door. I know sometimes we're just getting a lot of togetherness right now, and there may be times when they feel like, hey, I need some alone time. So they could have a red light, green light on their door as well. So hope this helps, and you have a great day. Thanks.